Hi everybody, thank you very much for joining me today in this quick video. We're delighted that we have announced this morning that we're going to be working with Sparx. We have a global exclusive license to use their Claudin 18.2 monoclonal antibody in cell therapies. And we're very excited by that prospect, as Claudin 18.2 is now a well-known and appreciated target for oncology purposes. And of course, it helps for us to further expand our footprint into the arena of solid tumors. I will be making forward-looking statements, so please do take note of the disclaimer. And I'd like to just start by quickly introducing the target Claudin 18.2. So as I said, we refer to that as a solid tumor target or a tumor-associated antigen. And what we've seen over the last few years and decades is that Claudin 18.2 is overexpressed in a lot of different cancers. So that means it's out on the surface of a lot of different cancers. So it's something that we can target using our therapies, but it's not present in a lot of healthy tissues. The cancers where we see it are things like gastric cancer, which includes gastroesophageal, pancreatic esophageal, but there's also other cancer types like ovarian and lung cancers where there have been reports that it's also present and on the surface. So it is a validated target. The first monoclonal antibody likely to receive approval will happen in January next year from Astellas, which is set to be a billion-dollar drug. And the gastric cancer market alone is set to be greater than 10 billion by 2031. So a large commercial opportunity as well. So what exactly are we talking about today in the announcement? We have partnered up, or we're entering into an agreement with Sparx for an exclusive global license to their monoclonal antibody that targets Claudin 18.2, termed SPX101, to develop cell therapies. The upfront fee, there's no cash component for Arovella. It's only payable in equity. And we believe that to take this to stages where we're able to demonstrate that this has a great potential in cancer treatment will only require modest capital investment, which is great. And there are also associated industry standard milestone payments, which would be in the form of cash and equity. So in terms of what we're doing, it's the SPX101 technology, or the monoclonal antibody targeting Claudin 18.2, teamed up with our iNKT cell therapy platform to target solid tumors. So the key priority targets for us will be gastric cancer and things like pancreatic cancer. They're both still quite unmet needs, especially when the disease presents at late stage. And for us as a company, it provides an exciting new program for Arovella in the solid tumor space. And we're able to leverage the manufacturing data that we've captured already for our lead product, ALA-101. And just to make clear, the work that Sparx have done to date is quite large. They have taken the monoclonal antibody, completed all necessary preclinical studies, safety, selectivity, toxicology, proof of concept, and have an open IND with the FDA to take that into clinic. But just to be clear, we're using it for cell therapies, and this will be the first CAR iNKT cell product that is targeting Claudin 18.2. So very quickly, how we do it. This is a diagrammatic picture of SPX101, which is a monoclonal antibody. In green, we have the targeting part of the antibody, or the guiding part, when we refer to these as guided missiles. We take that, we use that to engineer the chimeric antigen receptor, or CAR. So that's the targeting or guiding section. We then utilize that and integrate it into our iNKT cell therapy platform. So now these iNKT cells will be geared to chase after, find, and destroy any cancers that have Claudin 18.2 on their surface. So just reiterating, this will be the first off-the-shelf CAR iNKT cell product that's targeting Claudin 18.2. There is a CAR-T product already in phase 1, which has demonstrated promising data. But again, leveraging the value of the iNKT platform for solid tumors and the fact that this is off the shelf, we think is also very exciting. So with that, I'd just like to say thanks again for listening in. Please be sure to dial into the webinar that we'll be hosting on Thursday, the 12th of October this week at 11 a.m. And we'll be talking through the license agreement with Sparx and the technology in a lot more detail. I look forward to having you join. Thank you.